So it is freaking raining out here. Oh my gosh. We're about to go get a joint from Nuwu, which is that way across the bridge. Oh, no, the bridge is like right there. And then the store is like right there across the freeway. Anywho, it's raining out here in Las Vegas. And out here on Snow Mountain. But I hope everybody's having a good day today. It's raining, so of course I'm having a good day. But yeah, I hope everybody's having a good day. Miss you, Jolene. Miss you, Simi. Can't wait to see you guys. Okay. Well, that's all I have to say. Except it's raining in the desert. Love it. Okay, everybody. Bye.